Hi dear students, welcome you all to another important session of Brainiac's doubt clearance. Okay, so we have a new question in front of you. I hope you could see the question. I will just read the question. Volume of 1 gram equivalent of hydrogen at STP is. Okay, so again, it is based on the concept of equivalence. So we know that what is our standard definition? So we know that number of equivalents or number of gram equivalents both are correct. I have told you gram equivalent and equivalent both are same. Okay, so number of gram equivalents is equal to number of gram equivalents is equal to, tell me, weight in gram, correct, divided by equivalent mass. Okay, equivalent mass. Now what is given to you? They have given you the number of gram equivalent. How much gram equivalent they are speaking about? They are speaking about 1 gram equivalent. So number of gram equivalents is equal to what? 1. Correct. So I can substitute here 1. Okay. Have you given the weight in gram? No, they didn't give that. So weight in gram of that particular element. Okay, then equivalent mass of hydrogen. So how can you find the equivalent mass of hydrogen? Equivalent mass of hydrogen is equal to atomic mass of hydrogen, that is 1, okay, divided by valency, that is also 1. Correct. So equivalent mass is equal to atomic mass divided by valency. Okay, so tell me what is weight in gram. I have got, now weight in gram is equal to 1 gram. Correct, or we can say weight in gram is equal to 1. Now what they are asking you, they are asking you the volume at STP. So I know the weight in gram is equal to 1 gram. Now corresponding to this 1 gram, I need to know what is the volume at STP. But we know the standard relationship 22 point, okay, 22.4 liters of hydrogen at STP will have a mass equal to molecular mass expressed in gram. Correct. So I can say that is equal to 2 gram at STP. Since it is a gas, we are talking about molecule, so that's why 2 gram is coming into picture. Now we know that 2 gram will occupy a volume of 22.4 liter, but in question what they are asking you, they are asking you regarding the volume occupied by 1 gram. Why I am saying 1 gram? Because weight in gram we have calculated as 1 gram, and this 1 gram is equivalent to 1 gram equivalent. Correct. Because here we have substituted 1 gram equivalent, and corresponding to that I have calculated the weight in gram. So I need to, at the end of the day, I need to find out what is the volume occupied by 1 gram. So how can you make 2 gram to 1 gram? Divided by 2, so this will become 1 gram at STP. So divide on the LHS also by 2, so this will become 11.2 liter of hydrogen at STP. So I got the answer, 1 gram is occupying a volume of 11.2 liters. Okay, so what is the strategy we have done here? So we have calculated the weight in gram that is occupied by 1 gram equivalent of hydrogen. So 1 gram equivalent of hydrogen will occupy a mass of 1 gram. Then corresponding to this 1 gram, we have calculated the volume it is occupied. So we have got the answer 11.2 liter. Okay, so this is the way we need to handle questions of this nature. So if you have any doubts, please get back to us. And if you have liked the explanation, please subscribe our channel so that you will be getting more continuous videos. Thank you.